Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are dealing with a check engine light and found code P0054, stick around because today we're breaking down exactly what that code means, what causes it, and how to fix it. Let's get started. This code stands for HO2S Heater Resistance Bank 1 Sensor 2. In simple terms, it means there's a problem with the heated oxygen sensor's heater circuit. Specifically the one located after the catalytic converter on bank 1 of your engine. The heater in the oxygen sensor helps it reach operating temperature faster. If it fails, your sensor might respond slowly or not at all, which can mess with fuel economy and emissions. That's why this code triggers the check engine light. Common causes of P0054, number 1, faulty O2 sensor. Over time, the internal heater element inside the oxygen sensor can fail due to age, heat exposure, or contamination from exhaust gases. Replace the sensor with a high-quality OM or name brand replacement, Bosch, Denso, NTK, etc. Clear the code and test drive to confirm fix. Number 2. Damaged wiring. Road debris, salt, moisture, or engine heat can break, melt, or corrode the wires or connector that powers the heater. Look for burn marks, melted insulation, exposed wires, green, white corrosion. Use a multimeter to check continuity in the wires. Number 3. O2 sensor heater circuit. The heater circuit may share a fuse with other emission systems. If the fuse blows, power is cut to the heater, triggering P0054. Test fuse using a fuse tester or visually check for break. If blown, replace it, but also inspect for a cause. Number 4. Short circuit in the heater element. The heater element can internally break, open circuit, or melt together. Short circuit, preventing proper operation. Use a multimeter to measure resistance across the heater pins. If it's infinite or zero, replace the sensor. Number 5. ECM issues. The ECM controls the heater circuit by turning it on-off and monitoring resistance. If the ECM has a fault, it might misread values or fail to supply power. Only consider ECM failure after confirming sensor, wiring, and fuse are all good. If the ECM doesn't respond, you may need a dealer-level diagnostic or ECM replacement. Always match the new sensor to the old one. Connector, wire length, and thread pitch. Universal sensors can work, but OEM fit ones are easier and more reliable. That's everything you need to know about the P0054 trouble code. If you've dealt with this code before, drop your experience in the comments to help others out. Car repair pro tips. Use an OBD2 scanner to read trouble codes before swapping parts. Many issues aren't what they seem. Check forums or YouTube for people with your exact model. Symptoms often point to common fixes. When taking things apart, label wires, bolts, and parts using tape or bags. This avoids the "where did this go" moment. Don't over-tighten bolts, especially spark plugs, lug nuts, or anything aluminum. Use a torque wrench and look up specs. Disconnect the battery, especially for electrical work. This avoids blown fuses or fried modules. Thanks for watching.